Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we are witnessing a truly remarkable journey of restoration, showcasing incredible skill, patience, and a deep passion for bringing the forgotten back to life. Our story begins in a lush, overgrown wilderness, where a small pickup truck sits abandoned, completely swallowed by nature. It's not just old, it's caked in layers of mud and filled with leaves and debris, looking as if it has been forgotten for years. A determined young woman discovers this hidden wreck. After a quick inspection and a phone call for help, she begins the monumental task. With the assistance of a small tractor, the truck is painstakingly pulled from the mud and dense vegetation, its first step back towards civilization. Once rescued and brought to a simple open-air workshop, the real work begins. This is not a simple cleanup. It's a complete frame-off restoration. She starts by systematically dismantling the entire vehicle with impressive skill and confidence. The doors are removed, the cargo bed is unbolted and lifted off, and the entire cabin is then separated from the chassis. This reveals the core skeleton of the truck, exposing the engine, transmission, and drivetrain. With fearless determination, she tackles the mechanical heart of the vehicle. The entire engine and transmission assembly is unbolted, disconnected, and carefully lowered from the frame using a jack. The drive shaft is removed, followed by the complete rear axle, including the differential and leaf spring suspension. The wheels are taken off, and the old, worn-out drum brakes are completely disassembled. No part is left untouched. The detailed work continues on the engine itself. It's fully taken apart on the workshop floor. She removes the starter, the exhaust system, and the intake manifold. The valve cover comes off, revealing the rocker arms, which are then removed to access the cylinder head. After the head is lifted off, we see the pistons and the engine block, which are thoroughly cleaned of old oil and grime. The rebirth phase is where her meticulous nature truly shines. Every single component, from the large differential housing to the smallest brake parts, is cleaned and restored. She replaces the worn-out differential gears and bearings, carefully reassembling the unit with precision. New gaskets are prepared, and sealant is applied before the engine is put back together, piece by piece. The timing belt, pulleys, and water pump are installed, ensuring the mechanical core is as good as new. With the mechanics sorted, she begins the reassembly of the truck. The engine and transmission are reinstalled onto the freshly cleaned chassis. The rear axle is reconnected, and the braking system is put back together with new components. Then comes the most satisfying transformation. The entire truck, now mechanically sound, is taken for a thorough wash. A high-pressure washer blasts away years of hardened mud, revealing the original blue paint underneath. But she doesn't stop there. After drying, the truck is prepped for a brand new look. Windows and lights are carefully masked off. With a professional spray gun, she applies a stunning new coat of teal-green paint, completely changing the truck's personality. The finish is smooth, glossy, and expertly applied. Finally, all the pieces come together. The freshly painted doors and cargo bed are reinstalled. The seats are put back in the cabin. The result is nothing short of breathtaking. The once abandoned, mud-caked wreck now stands proud, a fully functional and beautifully restored vehicle, ready for a new life on the road. It's a powerful reminder of what passion and hard work can achieve. If you enjoyed this incredible restoration journey and want to see more inspiring projects like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what comes next.